The University of Colorado Boulder Office of Contracts and Grants is excited to share with you our new Master Current and Pending Excel workbook. In it, you'll be able to update and maintain all of your current and pending projects, and, with a single click of a button, prepare your document in the required sponsor format. In this video, we'll show you how to download and save the Master Current and Pending template from the OCG website, how to enter your projects into it, and then how to prepare your sponsor-specific form. This Excel spreadsheet has macros embedded in it, so you'll need to follow a few specific steps when downloading it. To download the template, go to the OCG Forms page at colorado.edu/OCG/forms. Find the Master, Current, and Pending Support template in the Other Templates and Samples section. You can also find a link where you can download written instructions. Click the link to open the browser version of Excel. Click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Download. Choose Yes when asked if you should continue. The workbook should be saved in your Downloads folder. Find the downloaded workbook and open it in Microsoft Excel. Click the Enable Editing button on the top ribbon. Click the Enable Content button. Save the workbook in a folder of your choosing. Once your template is downloaded and saved, you're ready to enter all of your current and pending projects into it. Once you open the workbook, make sure you're on the Master List tab. Enter all of your current projects, pending projects, projects with internal funding, unfunded collaborative projects, and projects where you are paid outside the scope of your university work. Please note that some of these sections may be different from what you're used to seeing. However, federal sponsors have made it very clear in recent months that this information is required, and failing to provide it may be seen as providing fraudulent information. Once you've added all of your project information on the Master List tab, save your workbook. Then, click on the tab of the sponsor to whom you are currently applying. Review the instructions on the sponsor-specific page and finish entering any necessary information. For instance, NIH has 3 sections at the top for which you'll need to manually enter information. Instructions for additional requirements are always highlighted. Once you've finished entering the necessary additional information, click on the orange button that can be found on each of the sponsor tabs. This will automatically hide any line that isn't associated with a project. Note that this button looks for cells that have a project title, so make sure that all projects entered into the Master List tab have titles. Review the lines of data that are still viewable. To make sure you're happy with the way the pages will break in your workbook, go to File, Print, and preview the form. If you wish to change where the page breaks occur, put the cursor in column A on the row where you want the next page to begin. Then, at the top, choose Page Layout, Breaks, Insert Page Break. If at any point you want to reveal all cells on a sponsor tab, select the entire contents of the sheet by clicking the triangle in the upper left corner of the sheet. Hover over one of the row numbers, right-click, and choose Unhide. Once everything looks satisfactory, save the workbook. To create a PDF of your current and pending, follow the instructions for PDF file creation on your version of Microsoft Excel. Typically, you select File and then Save. If you have any questions about using the Master Current and Pending workbook, contact your proposal analyst. Their contact information can be found on the OCG website on the Directory tab. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments about it, please send an email to ocg@colorado.edu.